What's up, fam? This is Karriemah Lotus, your Black business influencer, and I'm here with the ultimate marriage keepers.
Thank you.
Brother Marcus and Sister Cecilia. They have a marriage counseling service. Y'all have a wonderful workshop assessment this weekend for marriage helpers.
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
Yes, it's this Saturday coming up, December the 29th at 1 p.m. at the Drury Inn Hotel right off of Mount Zion Boulevard. You can see it right off the highway.
Murrow, Georgia.
In Murrow, Georgia. And it's to help couples to strengthen their relationships. Because just think of your car, for example. You take your car to get an oil change. Why do you take it to get an oil change? You take it so it runs perfectly. There's no bumps and knocks in the car breaking out. That's the purpose of the workshops for marriage, is to give us a tune-up, to have it flowing smooth. Let's do some critical, analytical thinking of how our relationship is, where it is, where we want it to go, and what plans we need to put in place to make all of that happen.
Awesome. And that is actually this weekend, Saturday, December 29th, 1 p.m. at Drury Inn Hotel, which is located at 6520 Lee Street. You can actually reach them for further details at 770-256-8856. Now, what can we look forward to?
You can look forward to discussing your relationship with your partner. We're not trying to learn your business. We want to get you and your partner to talk with each other, but we can give you tools to talk, because a lot of us have stopped talking to each other in relationships, and that is ultimately our problem. We've stopped communicating, and so the basis of any relationship is communication, and we want to do that with you, and we want to have dialogue around the relationship.
Now, is this going to be fun?
Yes, it's always fun. It's always fun.
So you can have fun in marriage life?
Of course. We bear witness to that, because by God's grace, we've been married for 26 years. So
beautiful.
We can bear witness that you can still be happily married. It takes work. Working on your relationship. You put a lot of things before our relationship, but we have to put our relationship after God is our relationship to our spouses.
Beautiful. And can anyone of any faith tradition come and attend?
Anyone.
Absolutely.
Anyone.
Because it's universal principles.
All right, well, we hope to see you there. It's actually this Saturday at the Drury Inn Hotel, 6520 Lee Street in Murrow, Georgia. You can reach them at 770-256-8856. We will see you there.